Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, if you're getting that warning, the inspection now, what you need to do, obviously I know you cannot reset it using the normal settings, which is all the way down here, service. I've already done this, so I'll just show you what you need to do. So engine off, everything off, hazard light on, foot on the brake, and then what you need to do is, if I can pop that there. So what you need to do, foot on the brake still, and you're going to hold on to the 0 button and do not let go. So turn the ignition on, do not let go on the first round where it says service. Okay, keep holding on until you get that, and then let go and then hit that again, and just keep holding it, and that'll do. Boom, all done. So that's the way to do it. But if you let go straight away when the service comes on, it's not going to do it. You're going to have to hold on to that 0 button until the inspection comes on. When the inspection comes on, then let go and then hit it again once, and that does reset it. And obviously it will also show you this way, and then you can let go of everything. You don't need to turn the car on, no diagnostic needed.